Canva is one of the most popular and effective designer tools all over the world. It has a huge library of assets and elements, which make design easier than you think. Not only graphics, you can create videos, presentations, and many more with Canva. And day by day it becomes more powerful with every update. Now Canva is AI-powered, and you can use several AI tools directly on Canva. Today, I will talk about the 10 most effective apps of Canva. So, let's dive right in. This is David and you are watching AI Lockup. Okay, first of all, if you are new to Canva, create an account and then come to the Apps tab from here. Here you will find a vast number of apps for various use cases. Let's talk about the top 10 apps. Number 1, Image Animate. The very first app is called Image Animate. So just simply type it in the search bar, Image Animate. And then here we have it right here. Element your design photo to video magic with Image Animate. So basically what you can do is you could transform any image into an actual video. Let's go ahead and try this out right now. I'll select use in a new design. And then select video, because it gives me a nice wide aspect ratio. Now we have to select an image. I will use one of my past uploads. Okay, so let's just start with this one right here. This is one of my AI-generated virtual model images. Now, I'm back over here in Image Animate, and you can see automatically she appears in the Image Animate taskbar. Now choose one option between AI animation or motion parallax. We'll keep it simple and just do auto for right now. But if I chose motion parallax, a lot more options would appear. Okay, we have animation length, number of loops, and duration, and then we could choose a camera path. Anywhere from horizontal down to step left to step down. Pretty amazing. So I'll do auto animate just to kind of see what this can create for us. Let's go ahead and hit the generate button. Now we have to wait some time. And here it is, we are done. The video has been generated. Now add the video to the design and adjust the size. Okay, let's have a look. And as it loads, really makes this a real video. Look at that. That did a phenomenal job. Not bad at all, considering this is a free app to use directly within Canva. Alright, let's move forward to the next app. Number 2, Font Frame. Our next tool is Font Frame Vibrant Text with Image Backgrounds. Add an image background to your text by uploading an image or selecting an image from your design. Change the font, adjust the image placement and more. We can look at some of these examples right here. Hello world, but notice the actual filling of the text is an actual image. So let's try this one right now. Our text is hello world. Let's change this up to AI Lockup. Okay, and then we could select the image scale right here. Look how I'm toggling this bar right here, and then notice then in the top preview text, my image depending on the scale is gonna allow me to determine what appears in the actual letters. Now let's go ahead and choose a new image. But before we do that, you could choose settings next to it, and then this is where you can actually select different fonts and alignments, outline thickness, etc. Okay, I am selecting this image for the background. And look at that, immediately it appears up in the preview. It's amazing. Now what I'll do is adjust the image scale. Once you are satisfied, add the design to your canvas. That's pretty cool. Number 3, Image Upscale. Okay, the next app is Image Upscaler. It elevates your image resolution with AI. Here are a couple of examples, and you can notice how blurry this picture is of this girl. And now look at the next page in the top left-hand corner. Look at this one, and then even this cat on the left-hand side. Okay, let's try the tool, create a new design with this app. After coming to this page, click here and then upload the image you want to upscale. It's not working, cause it already upscaled enough. Okay, so let's remove this one and find something that isn't already upscaled. Now I uploaded an image of my previous AI model. After uploading the image, set the upscale value and then hit the upscale image button. And it's done. Let's add to my design, and there it is right there. Oh, definitely. This has definitely been upscaled. Now, just to show you guys that it definitely has been upscaled, here is a comparison between the two. Okay. The left-hand side is the original one. And now the one on the right-hand side is the upscaled version. You might not be able to tell, but believe me, when you're here looking at it in person, definitely is a big time difference. To have this tool available in Canva is amazing, specifically because it's free. Okay, let's move forward to the next apps. Number 4, Lalamoo Studio. Our app number 4 is Lalamoo Studio. This app allows you to make video characters talk with AI. Synchronize lip movements of any video characters with any audio. Use your own audio and video. Generate spoken audio in any language. Works on cartoons, anime, AL characters, and human faces. Okay, create a new design with a video file. And this is the Lalamu LYP sync generator. Now we have to upload a video file or image here. After uploading the image or video, come to the audio section. There are two options: generating audio with Lalamu Studio or uploading a voiceover clip. To generate audio from text, enter the script on this box and then select a voice actor from here. Once you are done, you can hear a preview.
Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials.
If you are satisfied, hit the Generate LYP Sync video from here. Now we have to wait some time. And here it is, our video is ready. Let's have a look.
Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much.
That's amazing. Okay, let's move forward to the next tool. Number 5, Coloring Book. Coloring Book is an app that turns text descriptions into a coloring book style, allowing users to bring their imagination to life. So we can look at a couple of these examples, and I got to tell you, it looks pretty amazing. Again, let's use a new design. Okay, once it opens up over here on the left-hand side, automatically, this prompt box comes up. Okay, and that's where we have to type our information. Simply type it in and just make it easy. Let's go ahead and then just select Try an Example. I am entering an example prompt. After entering the prompt, hit the Generate button, and let's see what this can produce for us. Now, one key thing to keep in mind with this app Coloring Book, and then also other apps as well within Canva, you're only going to get a certain amount of tokens each day. So for this Coloring Book one, you're only going to get 5 credits for now. However, if you look down in the bottom left-hand corner, it says you get 5 credits every single day. So that's not bad specifically because it's free. But now here we are. Check this out. Here is the image it made for us. Fantastic. So now you can create a coloring book design with Nava. Okay, moving on to the next one. Number 6, Speed Painter. Do you want to create a whiteboard animation like this? Then this Speed Painter app is for you. Let's see how. First of all, create a new video design. Once you are on this page, we have to add the graphics or images we want to animate. To learn how you can generate high-quality graphics with Canva and create proper whiteboard animation, you can watch this video from the description box. Alright, I am selecting a design from my previous upload. Once the image is on the canvas, come to the Speed Painter app again and you can see the image on the Speed Painter tab. Now set the animation in color filling time and then hit the Create button. And here it is, our video is ready. Add the video on the canvas and adjust the size. Let's have a look. That's great. Now let's move forward to the next app. Number 7, Frame Maker. Okay, this next one is called Frame Maker. Now, generate custom Canva frames easily. It comes with preset shapes that you can customize and generate your desired shape. I know many people have been wanting something like this in Canva, so you can make these customized frames and then put any sort of image you want in it. Let's go ahead and try this one. Here it is opened up on the left-hand side. It starts to appear, and now we have options that we can choose from. Okay, so down here at the bottom, I can look at all of these different shapes. Let's go ahead and choose one of these odd ones, like this. This is pretty cool, but notice how awesome this is. Since I have a shape chosen up here in the Frame Maker box, I can actually even edit it and then move these points around to really get a unique and different style of shape. Let's just go ahead and get something completely different and unique, something we couldn't have gotten otherwise. Look at that, that's pretty awesome. I can also remove points by clicking on it and then simply selecting Remove Point, and it will remove one of these little points right here. But for the most part, this looks pretty cool. Let's go ahead and now add it to the design. Now here it is in my design. Okay, now you might ask yourself, what do we do next? Simple. I'm gonna open up some of my images, or I can go to Elements in Canva. Now, one thing I love about Canva is that they have a ton of stock images, so I'm gonna type in just AI. Okay, let's just see what comes up with AI. I'll select Photo, And let's just go ahead and go with this first one. Grab this and now just drag and drop it right here into that frame, and just like that, that robot, this stock photo, instantly fits in there perfectly into this frame. Once it's in here, I can now click and drag it around. Number 8. Colorize. Okay, now here is the next one. This one is called Colorize. This will also be extremely helpful, especially for those people who want to bring old images to life, especially those that might be black and white or even like a sepia sort of color. Okay, let's go ahead and use it in a new design. Now we have to upload a black and white or grayscale image here. I am uploading an AI-generated black and white image. Oh, wow. Amazing. I really wasn't expecting it to turn out this well. Look at this. It did a really amazing job. Nice. So just as an example, here is my original image right here. Okay, everything's black and this is the colorized version. This did a phenomenal job, very helpful specifically for those people who have older images that you want to bring back to life. Number 9. Neon Artist. Okay, now moving on, here is the next one. It's called Neon Artist. Bring your text to life with neon art. It will automatically create an image in all neon colors from text. Okay, let's see how this is going to look. Again, on the left-hand side, all we have to do is simply type in a prompt. This says a steaming cup of coffee. Let's just try that. Okay, now I'll select Generate Image. This one gives you 4 credits every single day, so if you exhaust all 4 today, tomorrow you'll get a brand new, fresh set of 4 credits. This only takes a few seconds. Once it's done, let's see the magic appear right in the middle of our page. Oh, and there we have it. Amazing. That looks pretty cool. It's exactly what we were looking for. Steaming cup of coffee. Although we got this, it did a pretty good job. I love the fact that immediately, if you're looking for a neon design, just type in a prompt and neon is what you're going to get. You don't have to worry about putting in specific keywords in a prompt like the words neon, fluorescent, etc. It's going to be neon every single time. Number 10. Our next tool is Cartoonist. Take your imagination to the world of fantasy and create unique and visually appealing cartoon images from your text descriptions with Cartoonist. And again, top left-hand corner, just simply type in your prompt or your description. Okay, so I'll just select a princess wearing a pink dress. Okay, simple enough. Let's go ahead and generate this image. Again, this one gives us 4 credits every single day, but listen, completely free to use. So 4, I'm not going to complain. And now look, just like that, I got exactly what I was looking for. Pretty impressive. There are so many other incredible apps available on Canva, actually the number is vast. If you want to know more about them, let me know in the comments section. I will make another video. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about Canva AI-powered apps. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!